BioLite makes some of the coolest camping and off-grid gear on the market. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I've owned a BioLite camp stove and FirePit here for years, and I love them both. This season, BioLite introduced some new gadgets and accessories, some designed to make the FirePit here even more versatile, and some others to keep you lit up, we'll say. In this video, I'll take a look at some of the new gear, the new products, how they work, and what I think about them. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please mash that like button and consider subscribing too, since both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from.
Let's start with the AlpenGlow. BioLite released AlpenGlow, which is a multicolor USB-powered lantern that comes in a smaller 250 and a larger 500 lumen model.
Like most of BioLite's products, they're aimed at making your camping or outdoor experience easier. But these lanterns will fit in perfectly at home too. They're durable, rainproof, and have several different lighting features for different situations and different moods.
The smaller 250 lumen AlpenGlow is about 4 inches tall, while the 500 lumen model is just over 5 inches tall. They have hooks for hanging, and the AlpenGlow has 4 standard lighting modes each of which has a secondary color feature when you shake the lantern. You can choose from bright white light to solid colors or swirling, morphing colors designed to resemble the northern lights.
The AlpenGlow lights here are definitely two of my favorite new BioLite products, and they are coming in very handy in the camper van.
As I said, I've had a BioLite FirePit for a couple seasons now, and we love using it for cooking and campfires. If you want to learn more, check out my full review video right here on the channel. For those of you who love the BioLite FirePit but also want to up your grill game, there's now a GrillLid that will allow you to convert your FirePit into a slow roasting grill. The lid has an adjustable vent to regulate the heat and a pair of folding handles for easy removal. The lid is actually a great addition to a FirePit since it opens up a lot more options for cooking.
Used with the Griddle, which you're about to see, you can add items in here that you would bake in an oven at home to your repertoire, and you'll be able to do so many more dishes for the tailgate party, backyard barbecue, or the family camping trip.
Okay, let's get to that griddle. This perfectly fit cast iron griddle fits onto the FirePit's surface right onto the top rack, allowing you to cook things like pancakes, bacon, or eggs over your open flame fire. It's made with a non-stick surface and gives you enough room to make bacon and eggs for 2 or more at the same time. It's also got a raised edge to prevent grease or food from falling into the fire. You can also place the FirePit lid right over top of it without any worry. It is best to use a smaller flame and low fan for the griddle, since the griddle will hold its heat.
My pro tip is that it's a good idea to season your griddle the same way you'd season a cast iron pan, either in the oven or you can do it on the FirePit itself. If you've ever gone camping only to realize you've forgotten key utensils, BioLite has you covered with its new camping toolkit pack designed to be used here with the FirePit. I'm going to give you a quick look at what's inside. You get this really cool chef's roll. It's kind of like I don't know if it's waterproof, but it's a really heavy duty canvas. And I'm just going to lay this down and unroll it here so I can show you what's inside. You get a lifter. This is a metal lifter? I don't know. We call it a flipper at home. There's a bottle cap opener in it here too, which is kind of handy. And the handle itself is, I guess it's kind of like plasticized or rubberized, but a good long tool. It'll ensure you'll be able to get access to whatever's cooking in the fire pit here without burning your hands. Next up in the kit, this is a really cool Santoku knife. I'm just going to pull the cover off here. Very versatile yet small chef's knife with this kind of open handle, which is really cool. Hopefully you guys can see that. And yes, it is definitely very sharp. I'm going to put that away very carefully. And finally here in the old tool roll, we've got a pair of tongs. Again, long handles on these so you'll be able to grab at stuff without burning your hands. Nice rubberized handle here with an opening, and it's got a lock on it as well, which is going to help you keep them closed when you're traveling. Overall, I'm already a big BioLite fan for camping and van life, and these new tools and accessories make the FirePit way more versatile for things like baking and cooking while you're on the road. And the new AlpenGlow lanterns have been coming with me into the house also because of their beautiful portable glow. If you want to read about these new tools and accessories or reference any of what I've talked about, head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've got a full write-up. There you can ask me any questions you have about the FirePit or any of these accessories. You can also post your questions here in comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always reach me through Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada. Handle on it here. Then there is, I really like, now it's falling off the counter. Let's try this again, shall we?